Alright, so we got our cornbread ready. Here we got our cabbage and potatoes. Woo, everything's so steamy. So here we go. Here's our cabbage and potatoes. Let's see if we can do better with this. Here's the black eyed peas. So we're all ready to go for our supper tonight. Yummy, yummy. Alright, so here's my supper for January 1st. I got my potatoes and cabbage with a little sausage. I got my cornbread. Yellow cornbread stands for gold. But more importantly, you know, this has a lot of vitamin C, which is really great for the beginning of January, you know, when people tend to catch those winter colds. So this also tends to strengthen your immune system. It's good. Yeah. Get some juice on that. So thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Why don't you click on some playlists and watch some more videos. And I'll see you next time.